Good morning, good evening, wherever you may be watching this video. Today, I wanted to go back to the basics and provide some beginner and newbie friendly content for all the new eyes and new members to the Flare community. In this particular video, I'll be covering the basics on how to delegate your Flare to your choice of data provider. With that being said, let's get right into today's content. So, the first step to delegating your Flare is to actually wrap it. You cannot delegate Flare in its normal state. You actually have to turn it into wrap Flare first before you can delegate it. There are several applications in the ecosystem that make this process easy. I default to the Flare Oracle web application just simply because I've used it since the Songbird days. Like I said, there's several other ones. There's nothing that really, in my opinion, makes this one better than the others. It's just the one that I've used this entire time and the one that I'm comfortable with. So that's why I use Flare Oracle. I will leave the URL link in the description of this video so you don't have to hunt for it. But the URL is app.flareoracle.io. And then you'll want to make sure you, of course, wrap your, or not wrap, but you'll, of course, want to make sure you connect your wallet and you have the Flare mainnet selected as the network. Then you'll go over in this left-hand corner and you'll select the wrap tab. Once you've done that, you'll basically state how much Flare you want to wrap. So I'll say 10 for these purposes, and I'll hit wrap. I'm using Wallet Connect, so the transaction popped up on a different device for me. Now that we got confirmation that the transaction was successful, we can go into Delegate. Now, Delegate is where you'll be able to see what FTSOs you're already delegating to or data providers you're already delegating to. But before you do that, you might want to look at the FTSO metrics. On this tab, it gives you some information that may help you in making a decision on who to delegate to. Some people only care about delegating to whoever's giving the highest reward rate. Others care about, other things like have you been an OG in the space? So have you provided anything to the community for an extended period of time? Things of that nature. Are you trustworthy? Some people gauge reputability like that or reputation like that. So um, it's just different things to pay attention to. Now, if you really want to get granular on the data to help make the decision easy for you on who to delegate to, there is a better platform for that, and that is the Flare Systems Explorer. So once you go to the Flare Systems Explorer and click the Providers tab, it gives you a little bit more information, in my opinion, to help uh, gauge who you want to delegate to. So you'll definitely want to make sure they're participating. You can see the fee that each data provider is charging for their services, and then it gives you a list of reward rate. So you can kind of even sort it by highest to lowest. You can see their weight, things of that nature, just to be sure you are getting the best value in terms of reward, but also making sure you select a good data provider who's checking off all the boxes, if you will. If you want to go over to advanced, it gives you a little bit more information. So again, delegated weight, delegation rate, staking rewards. It gives you staking information, delegation information, all types of stuff. So Flare Systems Explorer is pretty solid if you want to get more granular in the analysis side of choosing who to delegate to. And I'll, of course, leave this link in the description as well. So going back to the Flare Oracle webpage, we'll go over to delegate. So I'll go ahead and remove who I'm delegating to just to so you guys can see the full process. But I'm going to choose the same delegators. I like 4Dads and I like AU. They've been around for a while. They're OGs. They provided quality services over the years since the Songbird days. So I want to delegate to them regardless of reward rate. That's just my choice. You don't have to make the same choice. So let's click the drop down here and it looks like you can scroll. I don't think the search is working that well, if I'm being honest with you. So like typing in four yeah, yeah, it doesn't really show you or give me the results that I am expecting. So looks like I'm gonna have to scroll until I see who I want. Okay, found four dads. Boom. AU. Boom. We'll do AU, and then we'll say 50%. All right, and once I've done that, I can hit delegate. Boom. And just like that, we're done. So you get rewards, delegation rewards, uh, get, I guess, sent out every 2.5 days, give or take. So twice a week, every week, you will get FTSO delegation rewards as long as your selected provider is checking off all the boxes that I kind of showed you on the Flare Systems Explorer page, making sure that they participate, things of that nature. And as long as those are good to go, then yeah, you'll receive rewards twice a week, every week for delegating to the FTSO. So not a whole lot involved with delegating on the Flare network. Just a few steps. One, got to make sure you wrap your Flare first. Can't delegate using just regular Flare. It has to be WFLR. Two, selecting your data provider, making sure you're making the best selection for you. There's a couple ways you can do that. The Flare Oracle page obviously has some data and some information that helps make that decision. The Flare Systems Explorer is the most granular and most comprehensive resource to help make that decision. So for newbies, I probably would suggest going over to the Flare Systems Explorer, getting comfortable with that, and really getting familiar with the criteria necessary that really indicates a good data provider that's keeping their infrastructure up and running. They've checked off all the boxes in terms of making sure they are running a all the systems required and things of that nature. So yeah, with that, and then of course delegating. Once you've done the delegating part and you have been able to participate for the epochs that occur throughout the week, you should receive rewards and rinse and repeat. So nothing too difficult. I hope this video was informative. I hope you found this video entertaining. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.